This is lesson 10 or level 10 in Haunted Kith Maze? Sure. Introduction to Computer Science. This course is available for free. And this is the JavaScript edition, or the JavaScript version of the game. Goals. Your hero must survive, navigate the maze under 6 statements. Ooh. Challenge. Double check your indentation. You only need one while true loop containing 4 commands in this level. Interesting that they would say indentation. That is most necessary for Python. It is good in JavaScript for formatting's sake, but in Python, loops are defined by the indentation, whereas in JavaScript, as I've said previously, JavaScript, a loop is defined by these brackets. That is what we need. So let's go ahead. If you noticed, our hero moves right, and then it moves right, and then our hero moves right, and then our hero moves right, and it's showing us what code is being executed forever. This is a comment, so the loop is just ignoring it because it's not needed. I think then what we want to do, instead of die against those spikes, right here after 2, we would want to go ahead and move up. Okay, and if you notice, it wouldn't be just once, I believe it would be twice. I am going to do what they've shown me to do and use the number 2 here, as opposed to doing what they have and written it twice. Either obviously works fine. Hopefully this will. Looks like we are in business. So we go right again, we then go up, we go up again, and then it's gonna loop back. We go right and right again, and then we go up and up again, and then it loops back. We're gonna go right and then right again, up and through the door. If you're stuck, no, we're not stuck. We have completed it. We're advancing onward to level 11.